Hello, I'm Michibit, your crypto kitty friend. Good to see you in Silverbit, where we all learn crypto. Today we are going to talk about Ethereum, the second most important cryptocurrency, and the basis of the birth of many other blockchain projects. Remember to like the video if you find it helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get early access to all the new videos that we will be creating for you every week. Ethereum, known as ETH, is a digital platform based on the same technology behind Bitcoin, the blockchain. This platform has its own cryptocurrency called Ether or ETH, and its own programming language called Solidity. Ethereum was born with the aim of being much more than a cryptocurrency or payment system, but rather, it sought to serve as a base platform for the development of smart contracts and decentralized applications, known as dApps. dApps can be any type of app, such as the ones we use today like financial apps, social networks, games, medical apps, etc., but one that operates decentrally. How was Ethereum born? Ethereum was founded in July 2015 by Joseph Lubin and Vitalik Buterin. Vitalik Buterin is the best-known face in the environment, credited with creating the concept of Ethereum. He is one of the most influential people in the blockchain and cryptocurrency space. His goal was to provide developers with a platform to create, develop, launch and monetize smart contracts and decentralized applications. In short, Buterin was laying the first stone in building the future. How does Ethereum work? Like Bitcoin, Ethereum works by storing transactions or data through blocks that connect to previous blocks in the chain. The nodes or independent computers of the network validate the transactions using the Ethereum virtual machine, the brain of the Ethereum protocol. These nodes, or miners, put their computational power to verify transactions and create new blocks through the proof of work, that is, they successfully solve mathematical operations to verify transactions and discover another block, and thus receive Ether as a reward for their work. By the time you watch this video, Ethereum might have already gone through its major change since its birth, leaving behind this mining process I just explained. Continue to watch the rest of the video to understand this change, and feel free to watch our Ethereum merge video to learn more about it. In Ethereum, there is something important that does not exist on the Bitcoin network, called gas. What is gas? Yes, it sounds like the gasoline you put in your car, but in Ethereum, gas is a fee that represents the cost required to process a transaction or execute a smart contract. That is, every time a dApp executes a smart contract on the Ethereum network, meaning, a transaction is carried out, the one who originated that transaction must pay the gas fee. These gas fees are the biggest criticism that Ethereum has had and continues to have throughout its history, since it is sometimes quite expensive to carry out transactions for those who operate in this network. This is the reason why second-layer protocols have been born, such as Polygon, this being the largest one and most used. These protocols allow operating under fees almost close to $0 per transaction. What is the value of gas? The value of gas is given in fractions of Ether, and is established by the miners themselves, by supply and demand. This small fraction of the cryptocurrency is known as Gwei. The cost of gas is variable and depends on how congested the network is. Miners receive this fee as a reward for executing all transaction processing and verification tasks. The evolution of Ethereum blockchain technology is quite secure thanks to its decentralized structure, but like all new technology, it may not be safely applied by some of its enthusiasts, and this was a lesson learned for Ethereum. What do I mean? In 2016, a hacker stole more than $50 million worth of Ether, which had been raised for a project called DAO. This project was created based on Ethereum technology, for smart contracts, by a third party, not the creators of Ethereum. The reason for this theft of Ether was due to vulnerabilities in the base code of the DAO project, which had already been exposed by experts in the field, but were not corrected in time. After much debate in the Ethereum community, it was decided to carry out a hard fork, which meant making changes to the network's operating protocols and separating Ethereum into two different cryptocurrencies. This fork introduced a new cryptocurrency, Ethereum Classic. Ethereum versus Ethereum Classic. While the vast majority of stakeholders embraced the change and the fork was implemented, not everyone agreed. Those who refused to accept the fork adopted the new cryptocurrency known as Ethereum Classic, or ETC. The vast majority who decided to implement the hard fork and altered the history of the blockchain, to correct this incident, stuck with Ether or ETH as a cryptocurrency and decided to look to the future. What is the future of Ether? As I mentioned earlier, Ether is the second largest cryptocurrency by market value, and it is still the most used ecosystem for starting new decentralized projects. 2022 will be a very important year for Ethereum, as this blockchain will go through its most important change since it was launched. This transformation will make Ethereum more scalable, secure, and sustainable. Fundamentally, they will make Ethereum go from being a proof-of-work blockchain to a proof-of-stake blockchain, which is an evolution of the technology itself. This will bring the number of transactions the network can handle per second to hundreds of thousands, and will eliminate high electricity costs for miners, and eventually, it might reduce the painful gas fees for its users. The nodes will no longer be miners, but their participation in transaction verification will depend on how much Ether they own. The more cryptocurrency they stake and hold, the more transactions they will verify, and the more Ether they will receive as reward. This change, known as the merge, will happen in 2022, and if you want to know more about it, we have a video where I explain it in detail. You can find the link in the comments. If you have more questions, enter our social media now, or visit our website, and leave us a comment, we will be happy to help you. The links are available below, in the comments section. Thank you for watching my video. Remember, I'm Michibit, and if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like it and please subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Meow. See you in another video.